Hello everyone. Why settle for a plain bread when you can twirl into something delicious? One bite of this bread and you'll be hooked on the swirl. Join me, let me show you how to make it. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In a large bowl, we'll be adding 1 cup of warm milk. One over 5 cup of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. And 2 teaspoons of dry yeast. Mix very well until the yeast and the sugar is dissolved. Next, we'll be adding 1 egg. Mix again to properly combine. Next, we'll be adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour if you prefer, but I'll be using all-purpose for this recipe because that is what I have. Knead the dough for 5 minutes on medium speed if you're using a stand mixer or even if you're using your hands. After kneading for 5 minutes, we'll be adding these 30 grams of soft unsalted butter. After that, continue kneading until the dough is smooth and stretchy, which usually takes about 10 more minutes. Your dough should look this smooth after kneading. Scrape all the dough out of the bowl and then divide into 2 equal parts. Transfer each of the dough into separate bowls. Then into 1 part of the dough, we'll be adding 1 over 8 cup of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix very well until a chocolate dough is formed. Now that we have our plain dough and our chocolate dough, we'll be covering it and placing it on a warm area to double in size. Our dough has doubled in size. Now it's time to work on it. On a work surface, sprinkle some flour and then transfer the plain dough onto it. Form the dough into a ball and then flatten using a rolling pin. Once we are done with the plain dough, we'll also be repeating the same process for the chocolate dough. After rolling out the dough, next we'll be brushing some milk on the plain dough. Transfer the chocolate dough onto the plain dough. Adjust the dough to make sure that they are equal in size. Cut half of the dough into strips, just like I'm doing in the video. Swirl or twist each of the strips. Roll the dough just like I'm doing to form a beautiful pattern. Transfer the dough to an already greased pan. I greased mine with just butter. Cover and allow to rest for 30 minutes before baking. After 30 minutes, take off the cover and brush with milk before baking. After that, bake in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Your bread should look this beautiful after baking. This is a yummy, soft, delicious bread. Allow to cool down completely before cutting into it and enjoying with your morning coffee or any beverage of your choice. But in my own case, I couldn't wait for it to cool down completely. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly support my channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. Also, feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. Please check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.